Nuvantee pasta maker machine, manual hand press, adjustable thickness settings, noodles maker with washable aluminum alloy rollers and cutter, perfect for spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna. Quality: why go out when you can dine in with this incredible pasta roller? Bring restaurant-level pasta to your kitchen for a gourmet meal every night. Two-in-one pasta maker with pasta rack, Lindia pasta machine with 9 dough rollers with adjustable thickness and 2-blade dough cutters and desktop fixing clip, suitable for homemade pasta, spaghetti sliver. Two-in-one pasta maker and rack. The pasta machine set includes a foldable pasta rack for more practical and considerate. After the noodles are done, they can be hung on the pasta rack to dry. Delihom pasta maker stainless steel pasta machine, cutter, ravioli attachment and 4-piece pasta roller accessories for homemade spaghetti and ravio. Premium quality Delihom pasta ravioli maker deluxe set is constructed by sturdy stainless steel body and anodized high carbon steel roller and cutter. Durable construction, perfect for making a range of fresh homemade pasta dishes. WELL equipped. The Delihom noodle making machine includes pasta roller, cutter, hand crank, clamp, clean brush and ravioli attachment. Detachable cutting blades, table clamp and crank handle, space saving, easy to storage. Asterisk tips: you can download the electronic version user manual in the technical specification of the product page to your phone, and learn how to use the pasta machine anywhere you go. FirstBuy pasta maker attachment for Kitchenaid stand mixers, 3-in-1 stainless steel pasta roller cutter accessories, 8 gears thickness adjustment, spaghetti fettuccine maker with cleaning brush. Nine thicknesses and 2 cutting edges. Our pasta machine has 9 thickness settings: 0.5/0.75/1.25/1.75/2/2.25/2.5 mm, and 2 stainless steel blades, 2/7 mm, which can be adjusted at any time to meet your different pasta dishes needs. Food-grade materials and sturdy design. This noodle maker is made of food-grade durable steel to ensure food safety. Material type: stainless steel, nickel-plated steel, chrome-plated steel, ABS, corrosion resistant.